Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for a way to keep your food tasting fresher for longer? One way that I do that is by using these vacuum sealer bags for my food. This is by Syntus. I really like how easy it is to close these seals at the top. You can meal prep, and look, there's no liquid that falls out of it, especially when it's upside down. There's a nice spot for you to write the date so you can keep track of everything that's prepped, and you can cook with these bags. You can do sous vide or microwave them, and definitely makes it easier when you want to get meals ready. Also, there's 20 small, 30 medium, and 10 large bags, and they're all very useful. Even the small bag I use a lot with my produce, and keeping the produce in here keeps the cut food a lot more fresh, tasting wonderful, and it holds its seal. So once it's in the fridge, it's nice and sealed, and until I open it, it doesn't leak. The valves are easy to use. You just vacuum seal it, and that's all. So if you like reusable, freezer safe bags, if you like anti-leaking bags, or even just keeping your food prep organized and keeping your food tasting great, these are a wonderful option. I like the sizes, even of the small, the texture of it. These are well made.
I love these, but that's just my point of view.